Transactions are important, but are not always straightforward. You end up going through multiple rounds of discussions for transactions that are not accounted for, or the ones that fall outside the usual approval process. The results? A flood of emails, manual interventions, greater processing costs, increased errors, and loss of time. But you can easily ensure smooth approvals by getting a tightly integrated invoice matching software designed and perfected by Zycus. This is where a two-way, three-way, and four-way invoice matching come into play. Two-way matching ensures the matching between PO and invoice. If further matching of PO, invoice, and receipt is required, three-way matching can come in handy. And when acceptance documents are to be verified, four-way matching can help. Companies can set tolerance limits, default workflows, and routing rules for varied scenarios. This ensures reduced time, increased data accuracy, and enhanced business flexibility, making invoice processing easy and efficient. To know more, write to us at marketing@zycus.com.